Hi everyone! So today we're going to assemble a California poppy. So this type of flower is very simple. It only has 4 petals and the center. So let's start. So just squeeze some parts of the petal so there will be like a natural formation. So it doesn't look very stiff. So we're done with the first California poppy flower. It's really easy and fun to make, and the color is really great. Thank you for watching. I hope I can make more videos next time. We're really busy right now at work and with our startup company. Bye.